स्टार्ट किया, थोड़ा ऊपर ले, नीचे, अरे थोड़ा ये सही है, बाल सही है, ओके फिर. So hey, what's up guys, what's going on, and today in this video I'll be doing. रुक जा एक मिनट, मेरे को कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है. दिखा तूने क्या क्या शूट किया, दिखा. Bro, what you did? I just told you to record my face, not your fingers. Oops. And what is this angle, bro?
A few minutes later.
So hey, what's up guys, myself Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, and today in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing this mount for your smartphone. So let's get started. So this is the packaging I received when I ordered this product from Amazon. You can order from Flipkart too, but the price might vary and the rating also. So if the rating varies, you know right what I am talking about. The quality of the product also might decrease. So while opening, I noticed one thing, that there is no box packaging inside with the product. Yeah, Amazon packaging is okay, but it's just a plastic packaging which might damage the product if it is not delivered properly. But till now, the product I receive is in good quality. So let's open this packet too. And yeah, you don't need any user manual or anything for this product. So you will only get a mount in this packet. And yeah, that's it. So this is the mount which I received. So moving forward to the key points, the first point is it has two rotating knobs so that you can set your mobile according to your preference and you can get the proper angle for your videos. So moving this first knob, you can set your mobile on the mount properly and it goes off most of the smartphone sizes recently in the market. And talking about the second knob, which brings us to the second key highlight of this mount, which is 360 rotation. So if your mount doesn't have a 360 rotating knob, so you can use this knob so that you can rotate your phone however you want, whichever angle you want, and take the better shot for your videos. So talking about the material of this product comes with a very good material and I am using this mount for more than 3 years maybe. Yeah. So you can trust this mount for build quality. So the final conclusion, who should buy this? So people having a tripod or planning to buy any tripod, by the way, you can check out this video if you're interested to buy a new tripod. Okay, going back to the video, if you're already into YouTubing or content creation, you can get this mount even for professional video shots. So this mount will be really helpful. And one more thing I would like to mention is you can use this mount as a single piece also, so that you won't have to carry this big thing every time everywhere. So yeah, it's helpful, right? So talking about the price, this comes under 200 rupees, whereas in some offers you can also see this graph, it goes very low. Are you thinking how I got to know about all these things? Check out this video and you will get to know how you can buy the proper thing at a proper time in offers. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.